Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aisyah Safiyyah binti Muhammad Tajuddin. I am from 6 Bilal. Let's do a cool science project with me. Let us recite a doa before we get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Rabbi tamim bil khair. Amin. Today, we will be making ourselves a DIY water filter from the items I found in my father's garden. Okay, let's get started, guys. First, we need to prepare the items needed for the experiment. We will be needing a bottle. We need something to hold everything together, right? We will put every filter medium in the bottle according to the right order. Rough stone. I will be using some lacquer balls and some pumice or lava rocks. This is for filtering large pieces of debris like leaves and sticks from the water. Different type of sand. I will use two types of sand. I will put some perlite and some fine sand for the filter. This sand will filter out all finer contaminant from the water like loose dirt. Activated charcoal. This activated charcoal's job is to absorb any chemicals from the water as well as removing any bad taste and smell from the water. Cotton pads. We need this to act as a final filter from the bottom of the bottle. It also helps in keeping the sand from spilling out of the bottle. First, I will cut one end of the bottle so that I can put all the filter medium easily with a pair of scissors. Be careful when using scissors as it can be very dangerous. After that's done, place a few cotton pads as the first layer. Then, I will put the activated charcoal and following by the fine sand. Next, I will put in the perlite first before putting in the pumice. Make sure all the layers are evenly placed inside the bottle. Lastly, I will put the lacquer ball at the top. This completes our DIY water filter. Now, let's test it out. Wow, it works amazingly. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope my video can help you in making your own water filter later. Bye! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.